Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Do you have some overripe banana at home? Don't throw them away. Just make this yummy banana chocolate chip cake. As the schools are opening, you can send this to school as a snack and kids will enjoy it. First take few bananas and mash them really well. Into that add some melted butter, some oil and combine it well. Into that add 3 room temperature eggs, one by one, and mix it well. Once the eggs are well incorporated, add some sugar. Here I am adding raw sugar and brown sugar. Mix it well. Once the sugar is well mixed in, add all-purpose flour with some baking soda. Sift and add it to the banana mixture. You have to mix it really well until all the dry flour disappears. Finally, add some chocolate chips and mix it. Here I am pouring this cake batter into a bread loaf tin. Give it a tap to get rid of all the air bubbles. Now place 2 slices of banana on top. Add some more chocolate chips. And it's ready for baking. Bake this at 170-degree preheated oven for 50 to 55 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once it cools down, unmold it from the cake tin. Slice it and enjoy. Look how soft the cake is. You can see the chocolate chips inside. Kids will really enjoy it, so do try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.